where it's a duck shape. We are using there. Explore the different options here. I will take it another shape here. We will try to explore the options further. Here is a design to add some different pictures and shapes of the ducks. We have to make the clones of these duck designs. Use another one. Let's explore the options. Keep on using, editing and generating the designs.